guys! Today's video is my Boxycharm unboxing. Super excited. I've known about this box for a long time. Not a long time, but I had to unsubscribe to Boxycharm because this was a Christmas present from my mom. So whenever I was unsubscribing in May, you have to unsubscribe a month ahead. When I was unsubscribing in May, it tells you what was in the June box to like convince you to stay. And for some reason, I thought in my head that canceling in May meant it was going to end in May. I forgot I was getting one more box. So I got really bummed out, and then my roommate texted me, and she was like, "You got another one coming in the mail, or that came in the mail." And I was like, "Holy crap, I got this box!" And I was like really stoked about it. So, real excited about this box, and I'm just going to go ahead and jump into this video. So the first thing when you open your box, you get your little pamphlet. And this is a Caribbean Queen themed box, which is super exciting. So it's just your normal stuff. It just tells you everything that's in the box, but we're going to go through it together. So the first thing that I'm going to grab from this box are the 3 brushes right here. The 3 Luxie brushes. And they are, like I just said, Luxie brushes. There's a tapered highlighter brush, a precision foundation brush, and a duo fiber powder brush, and these retail for $42. So I've already recorded this video once, and my computer hates me because that's what I record on, and it somehow deleted the footage that I had already made. So I already have an opinion on everything. I already had an opinion to begin with, but now I'm like certain of my opinion. So yeah, I'm still going to use everything, but I already know what I think. But it's just really frustrating because I already did this video. It took me an hour and a freaking half. The footage is gone. So I'm going to go ahead and throw on some primer, and then I'll get back to put on my foundation with the precision foundation brush. So I'll be right back. So that brush, I do like the brush. It feels nice on the skin, and for some reason I like the thickness of this. The handle, which is kind of weird to say, but I like it. But I do like the brush, except for it makes my foundation look just a little streaky, like where the bristles went down my face. Like you can kind of see it. If I were to like continue and just put on concealer and all that, I'm sure that it wouldn't look streaky, but I'm just going to go in with a sponge and not make this look streaky just because I'm OCD and I want to, and it's my face. Okay, so now I'm going to put on concealer, and I'm going to set it and do my eyebrows. So I will be back for that, and we will continue this video. So I'm going to go in with this Pure Sculptor palette and the Luxie 516 Duo Fiber powder brush. I tried this last time to just like wipe away my bake because it's kind of a flat topped brush, but this time I'm going to try it with my bronzer. It didn't go very well. I wasn't a fan of this, so I'm trying to figure out another way to use it. So this is me trying. Okay, so going in with the last brush, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Give Me More highlighter palette, and I'm just going to use this shade right here and highlight my cheeks. So that's it for the brushes. I'm sure, as you can figure out, I like the Precision Foundation brush. It's pretty nice. Still not sure about this Duo Fiber powder brush. I don't know how I feel. I used it to contour today, and I kind of liked it like that, but now I feel weird because I have contour and bronzer on my face, and I'm not used to that, so now I'm seeing like, I don't know, I'm gonna have to adjust to that. But I did kind of like using it for that, and then I love the taper highlighter brush, so win-win from Boxycharm. Thank you for this gift. So the next thing out of the box is this eyeliner, which retails for $5. It's called Jante Bleu, and it's just a black pencil liner, and I'm gonna try to tightline my eyes with it. But in my last video, it didn't go so well, and I had to use something else, but for this video, we're gonna go for it again. Okay, scratch that. My eyes are like super sensitive right now, and anytime this pencil is like touching it, it hurts. I just don't like pencil eyeliners anymore. They're just a little rough for me, for my tight line at least. If I were to just line my like bottom lash line, I think it would be okay, but I'm gonna go in with a different eyeliner to tightline my eyes, and maybe I can get through that. So the next thing out of the box, I'm just going to go ahead and get this one out of the way. So this is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It retails for $10, and I haven't used it yet because I'm weird about putting lotion on my hands and then touching my face. I'm weird about putting products like on my face when I'm not cleaning it. So I'm going to put this on at the end of the video, but I just want to get this out of the way from the box. So the next thing out of this box that I was most excited about is this beautiful, beautiful thing. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Palette Volume 1, and it is Cuban inspired, and I'm about to just go hard in these warm shades down here. So this is the palette that I was waiting for to do my like KL Polish Havana Heats looks with the with your eyes. So this will be like the first one. These nails are the Cuban ones. I'm sorry that they're chipping, but these are Cubana from the Havana Heats. So I'm just gonna point, because I can't pronounce the names of these colors, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna have to like point and apply. That's how this is gonna go. So I'm gonna play some music and we're gonna enjoy this. this is the eye look, and I'm super excited about it because it looks cool. Turned out better than my last one, actually. So the next thing in this box is this little guy right here, and this is from the company Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes, and they retail for $28. So this is what they look like. I had already put them on in my last video, so that's why they're not like exactly in the packaging, but I'm gonna put them on again. Hopefully this goes as well as it did last time, because it went pretty well last time. So here we go. Okay, so this is just to kind of prove that I can, like, get the lash on. Like most of my videos, I am about to go to work, and I don't want to wear false lashes to work, so I just wanted to kind of show what the lash looked like. It's kind of poking up on this side a little bit on the inner corner, but this is just to show that I through some struggling, I can do it. I watched a lot of like how to apply false lashes, so I might start wearing some falsies in these videos. I didn't actually know I could do it. I've tried a lot, and this is the first time it's actually worked. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this one lash off and put on mascara, and I will be right back. So the last and final thing in the box is this lip, I don't know what to call this, is this Galactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint, and I've already put this on, and it's not the shade that I want to go to work with. So I will just swatch this on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to put on my Urban Decay Back Talk lip, just because this is something nude and I don't want to have to worry about having nice lips at work. But this does dry down really, really fast, and it feels great, and it was a nice color. Like, I thoroughly liked this, so that is what it looks like. It's like a super red berry kind of color. It's just a really nice, really, really nice red shade. Kind of a reddy pink shade, actually. I don't know. That's what it looks like. This is in the shade Blossom. I'm putting on the Bum Bum Cream right now. I do like it a lot. It has a smell to it. Then I can't put my finger on it, but I do like the smell, so that's good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below of what you got in your Boxycharm. Like, are you as excited about it as I am for the Alamar Cosmetics Volume 1 palette? Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video on Wednesday. Bye, guys.